Speech delay simply means a child isn't meeting speech milestones at a typical age. For example, by 12 months, most kids say basic words like mama or dada. By age 2, they can usually put two words together. If these milestones aren't being met, that's when speech delay might be a concern. There are several reasons behind speech delays. It can be due to hearing issues. If a child can't hear sounds clearly, it's harder to speak them. Developmental conditions. Kids with autism or other neurodivergent conditions might experience speech delays. Oral motor issues. Some children have trouble coordinating the muscles needed for speech. Environmental factors. Limited social interaction or screen time replacing conversation can also slow speech development. It's important to note that all kids develop at their own pace, but early intervention is key. If your child isn't saying any words by 18 months or can't form simple phrases by 2 years, it might be time to talk to a pediatrician or speech therapist. A professional can assess and suggest specific therapies tailored to your child's needs. Here are a few simple things you can do to help talk to your child frequently. Describe your actions, surroundings, and feelings in everyday conversations. Read out loud. Storybooks are a fantastic way to introduce new words. Use gestures. Pairing words with gestures like waving for bye-bye helps language stick. And lastly, limit screen time. Engage your child in more face-to-face conversations.